Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. What I thought I would do today is talk a little bit about my investment strategy. I know a lot of you guys have been asking why I have been buying the stocks that I've been buying, what my thoughts behind doing particular trades has been, why I'm so invested in Ford, for example. So I thought I'd just kind of go through and discuss with you a few of my trading strategies that I have been employing. First, I should say that this is an account that I created specifically to learn about the market. Robinhood having no commission trading, I thought would be a great way of diving into the market without having to make, $2, $3, $4,000 trades, if not $20,000 to $30,000 trades to justify the cost of trading. As you guys know, on the other brokerage sites, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Scottrade, even TradeKing, and some of the other even discounted online brokers, we're talking, $5 to $10 a trade. And a lot of the stocks I buy are $50 stocks, $20 stocks. Ford, for example, is typically $11 to $13 stock. Paying $10 to buy a couple shares of Ford, for example, would make no sense. So that's why I got onto Robinhood. That's why I started this portfolio. Not necessarily to make a lot of money, but to learn about the investment world. I've funded some mutual funds in the past, but besides that, I've never really bought and sold individual securities. So the whole idea behind Robinhood was put a little bit of money into this account and then have that money available for buying and selling individual stocks. So that's kind of the purpose behind opening this portfolio. And then I've been posting these videos, learning a ton about the market, trying to share my journey with you guys and also get some feedback. That's the intent, is to kind of let you guys know what I'm doing, and if there's any more experienced, more seasoned traders out there that can kind of give me a little bit of feedback. That's the intent behind this. So having said all of that, my investment strategies are really threefold. So first of all, I try to buy securities that I can buy and hold for the long term. So a lot of the stocks I buy, I don't plan on getting rid of anytime soon. Not before a year anyway. I did put out a couple videos about the tax benefits of holding stocks long term, both for dividends and capital gains. And a lot of the plays that I've made, a lot of the stocks that I've bought so far in my portfolio are long-term plays. I see myself holding these for well over a year, if not much, much longer than that. For example, here in the middle, Ford, I have 1,176 shares. That represents quite a bit of capital there. You can see $15,017.52. I don't plan on selling this stock anytime soon. I can see myself holding this 10 to 20 years, actually. It's got a great dividend yield there, 4.7%, and it's a very, very valued stock. I think it's a value buy. That is, I think the company's worth well more than what the current market cap is at $51.68 billion. So I like this stock moving forward, and this might trend down in the next couple of years. I'm not quite sure about that, but I know that over the long term, this should give a nice dividend return as well as some capital gains, or at least that's what I think anyway. That's why I'm so heavily invested in Ford. But throughout my portfolio, most of these stocks are buy and hold stocks. They are, for the most part, high dividend yielding stocks, and by high dividend yield, I mean in the 2.5 to 5% range or so. A few are a little bit lower, a few are a little bit higher than that. But when you start buying stocks that have a 10% dividend yield, that cannot be maintained for the long term. Those are very, very risky plays, and I would not recommend that. You can also have very good gains with stocks with no dividend return, but I don't really want to do that at the moment. I want to invest in high dividend yielding stocks. I want to invest in large market cap stocks, those companies being 5 billion or greater. A lot of my companies are 20 to 50 billion, if not more. Then I also want to invest in blue chip stocks. That is, stocks that are household names, that are the stalwarts of their industry, market leaders in their particular market segment, and hold those for the long term. But having said all of that, I also envision doing a little bit of swing and day trading. So those are the two other parts of my investment strategy. So if I kind of scroll back up here to Ford, I've went in and I've done some day trades on Ford, made quite a bit of money. I've done some swing trades on Ford, made money as well. And again, I wouldn't necessarily be doing that if I was looking just to make some money on Ford. I probably would have bought and held. Actually, I've sold the stock off much much cheaper than $12.77. So I probably would have made more money just buying and holding my shares from before. But again, the stock has been going up and down. I have $30,000 or so in my account. And the nice part about day and swing trading is, yes, you do get hit with a little bit higher tax rates for dividends and capital gains, but it's essentially like you have that much more money in your account. So if you do simply 5 day and swing trades per month, that's basically taking that $30,000 and multiplying it by 5. So yes, you might have a little bit less return if the stock shoots up like Ford has here for me, but you're essentially using that $30,000 over and over again. So you really need to add up those gains for the overall return. And like I said, you can do that in any one trading day, being a day trade, or you can do that over several days, being a swing trade. So that's kind of my philosophy. I guess another part of that would be doing things like this with Portola. This was a speculative play. I bought this stock before FDA decision was coming out. You can see that here in the year graph. I bought it right in here. $27 or so is what I bought it for. The FDA decision unfortunately did not go the company's way. You can see that stock tanked all the way down to 19 and 20. I did a little gambling. I picked that stock up. Most of my shares, I think, are kind of in that value. You can see average cost is $21.53, and you can see the FDA is now looking much more kindly on its products, and you can see the prices shot up here over the last week, up 11% over the last month, 41.37%. So this was my speculative play. Again, just having a little bit of fun with this portfolio, not necessarily trying to maximize my returns right now, but really trying to learn about the market, learn about buying and selling stocks, learning about the different investment strategies, and trying to not make a lot of mistakes. If I do make mistakes with this portfolio, not a big problem because I don't have a lot of money. But if I were, like I said, buying and selling, $20,000, $30,000 of stocks at a time and made a mistake, that would be kind of catastrophic for my overall return. So that's kind of what I'm doing with my portfolio here. Like I said, Robinhood, no commission trading, open it up to have a little bit of fun, buying and selling individual stocks to learn about the market. And then having done all that, I've learned a ton, and I'm making a little bit of money as well. So now kind of jumping in, trying to develop a nice diversified portfolio for a buy and hold strategy. But again, I'm going to have a little bit of fun as well. So I'm going to continue doing day trades. I'm going to continue doing swing trading. I'm probably going to do some more speculative plays moving forward as well. And yeah, just having fun and learning about the market. So that's kind of why I'm invested in what I'm invested in. And that's kind of why I like Ford. Buy and hold. Yes, it's a little bit more risky when you put a lot of money into any one particular stock. But again, it could have a nice little payoff for me as well. So it's a risk-benefit ratio, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about in this video here. Let me know what you guys are doing with your portfolios. If you've opened this to seriously invest, if you open it to just have a little bit of fun, learn about the market like I am, or other reasons. Let me know how you guys are handling your portfolio and also what kind of strategies you are employing. Like I said, I'm doing mostly buy and hold, but I'm doing a little bit of day and swing trading. And when the opportunity presents itself, I'm going to do a little speculative trading as well. I might even do some penny stock trading, although that is essentially gambling. I equate that to gambling. I don't think that's a good investment strategy whatsoever. But anyway, that's kind of my video here. Let me know what you guys think of my strategy. If you think it's a good one or not, please comment. So yeah, kind of in the video here. As always, if you like my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you're so inclined. Again, learning about the markets, trying to share my experience with you guys, trying to get some feedback. Hopefully you guys are learning as I'm learning. That's the whole point of these videos. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.